Hello and welcome to Tony's Tour. Let's follow along and witness the craftsmanship of a fried rice master. Watch as he showcases his incredible pan-flipping skills and the perfect combination of fresh ingredients. Isn't it amazing how he flips the pan and cooks? Each grain of rice, every piece of vegetable, and meat is evenly fried, golden, and richly seasoned. You'll see that the secret to making delicious fried rice lies in the harmonious blend of cooking techniques and the careful selection of ingredients.